Now, another good thing with this system is if you go to your iTunes and you see there, select a tune. At the bottom there, the red triangle with the 3 red circles, if you click on that, you can see Audi MMI 5033, which is this car. If for any reason there's no tick next to that, just tick it, go back, click play, and I'll just turn it up. Put it on media. So that's how to do that. If for any reason it's not playing, go into menu, navigate to telephone, see settings there, click the bottom right hand, which corresponds to the bottom right hand instruction, down to Bluetooth, and then bonded Bluetooth devices. See Barry's iPhone 10, click on that and you can see hands-free. Just let me just show you this. We'll get back. Right, we'll just go on there. You see Audi there. If I turn down to audio play and click disconnect, do you really want to close the Bluetooth connection with this device? Yes. There you go, it's gone. So back again. If your phone's not playing, if Audi's not showing on there, we'll just go back. So you come onto telephone, settings, bottom right hand corner, down to Bluetooth, down to bonded Bluetooth devices, onto the phone you want, click, and then audio player. As you can see, it's not connected, click connect, and there you go, it's come up. So that's it.